Here I've got SONY Xperia L4, and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 737 842 3 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And as you can see, now we are in service mode, and here you should pick service tests. And here you'll find all apps, all features that you can test. So you can check here keyboard and switch, touch, display, LED, speaker, earphone, microphone, secondary microphone, vibrator, main camera, back camera, flash LED, Bluetooth, network, compass, NFC, GPS, and so on. So let me show you how to perform some tests. So let me start with checking the battery health. Just tap here and it will be done automatically. As you can see, our battery, SONY Xperia L4 battery, is good, no need to replace it. We can go back. Now we can check, for example, the storage, and as you can see here, you've got details. Let me switch to some other test, for example, flash LED. Just click here and you are not able to see it, but it is, let me turn it around, it is shining properly. So it is definitely working well. We can go back, then we can check the vibrator. Let's click on start test. And as you can see, it is working properly. So let me go back. Now you can check also speaker. We all can hear that it is working properly. And also you can check LED illumination. And then let's go back. As you can see, it's working properly. Also you can check display. Just click here and now keep tapping to check if the colors are proper. So they are working definitely correctly. Here you've got the whole colors and the display in every particular part of it, and every edge. Yeah, so they are working good. Here you've got the further tests, and now we can finish it by tapping on the power key. And this is it. This is how you can use test mode in your SONY Xperia L4. Just pick the feature that you would like to test, mark it, and then see the result. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.